Good day guys, and sir. Now I discuss the air conditioning tools and equipment. Now, first we have the ratchet. We have the lock mechanism, locking mechanism, and the handle grip, handle, left and right, selector, and this torque drive, the size of this torque drive is 1 up. Now, how to use it? You have a socket. We have the different size of socket. Now the size of this is 1 up. Now press the locking mechanism and put the socket to your ratchet torque drive. And now then we have extension. You can use the extension. Now put the extension to your torque drive. Then put the socket to your extension. Now to use the ratchet perfectly. Now, just the positioning. This. Yan, position. Then, after that, then we have the mini ratchet. Then, we have the different types of pliers. This is the mechanical pliers. You can use for gripping or cutting. This is the long nose pliers. You can assist to the deeply parts. You can grip the deep. This is the adjusting mechanical pliers. You can adjust it. Then we have Allen wrench. This Allen wrench is hexagonal. We have different sizes of hexagonal Allen wrench. Then vice grip. Vice grip lock. This lock, and you can grip the parts or tornillo. Tape measure. This tape measure is 16 feet. This tape measure is maximum of 16 feet. You can measure it to the tools or parts of the aircon. And the screwdrivers. We have positive screwdrivers and negative screwdrivers. The black parts of the screwdrivers is magnet. And you can magnet the screw. And cutter. We strip the wire using cutter. Then the combination wrench. We have box wrench and open wrench. How to use it correctly? Like the ratchet, perfect position. Then that's all, sir. Thank you. Next.